Hey, hello, hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Risha. In this video, I'm going to be installing crochet human hair with leave out method using Hot Braids 22-inch coarse yaki texture. Again, this is crochet human hair. This is my first time ever trying crochet, so I was super nervous but super excited to be able to share with you all because I definitely have a few touch points that I would do differently for the next crochet install, and I hope that that's helpful for you. So let's get into it. So they sent me over one bundle because Hot Braids crochet hair is upgraded to one bundle for a full head. And I'm not gonna lie, looking at it, I was like, and I was touching the hair and looking at the knots, and I'm like, okay, how's this gonna go? So I was intimidated by it, but you'll see how everything comes together. So this is just me showing you it. So this is me about a fourth of the way through. In the beginning, I'm not gonna lie, I was really scary with it because I was nervous about messing up the parts, honestly. And so my three-way mirror was my best friend. Also, one of the things that I did, which I'm showing you right here, is that I hooked it to the net. I did not hook it to my hair directly until I got to the perimeter. And the reason why I did that was because I watched a few crochet install videos from other ladies, and that was one of the biggest tips that I saw that other people were like really celebrating was the fact that it makes for an easier takeout process because you're crocheting all these, you see all these little knots and stuff like that. When it comes to the takedown, if you did that to your entire head and you're dealing with like straight hair at this time, it's gonna make it so hard to take it out without cutting your own hair. And also I think too, with preserving this style enough to be able to have a rewear, so I'm glad for the foresight to not have done it that way. I think the only thing that I would do a little different, and you're gonna see here as I work through the top, this is where I was a little annoyed because for my perimeter I should have did smaller braids. That's something that I personally messed up on. I would definitely do smaller braids and make them more like anchor braids. I didn't know what to expect from it, so I kind of treated it how I do like a sew-in base, and crochet is not the same as a sew-in. So that's my fault on this one. So you're gonna see how I'm pretty much having to apply about 2 to 3 crochets like per top of each braid just to add to that fullness. Because something else that I hadn't considered, because again, first time, learner errors, is the fact that I had wanted to get a fuller top, like a little bit more of a bang area that I could be able to cut, because I do avoid cutting my own hair during most of these styles. So I really rely on the crochet to show up in that way. And I'm just showing you here what it looks like to pull it back. So pretty good. This is it all the way installed. And this is my hair literally just with a blow dryer to it, and you can already see the fact that it's blending pretty well. So I was impressed at this point with the hair itself. Not bad at all. I am taking the scissors and cutting in a downward angled motion, and I'm doing it by small sections because again, with framing your face, you don't want to hack all at once. So I'm going in one more time, this time with even less hair, and cutting again in that same downward motion. And now you see me with that last section where I'm just going to go ahead and do that same motion just so I can get a really nice evened look. And yeah, we're gonna hop straight into the curling. So I'm not even gonna try and fake the funk. I obviously, if you've been watching my stuff, you know I usually opt for curlier hair. So I'm not even gonna lie, I suck at curling hair, and I know I could probably be better if I had more patience. But by about this time, it was like 11:30 at night, and I was ready to wrap it up. So I threw in about maybe 8 curls all over. Also, I so far the hair is curling like really well, and I'm actually kind of surprised by that. And then the density of the hair is super nice. Like, this hair is performing well. Like I said, root to tip, pretty good. And I'm not spending too much time on the curls, honestly, because it is 11 o'clock at night. So I want to be done. You're going to want to double up. This was just with one bundle. So for the bangs, I decided to curl under. I believe that's what you would describe what I'm doing, instead of the other direction, because honestly, I wanted to overcompensate for the fact that I felt like the front was a little bit thinner than I'd like. But again, this is what it is with one bundle of yaki straight. So this is what the final results are given. And honestly, I was just playing with little pieces and trying to see how I can manipulate the style. You know how it is, first day hair, literally within the first 10 minutes I'm done. So I'm just fixing things up and making sure stuff's holding. But for a first timer with crochet, I'd say this is not too bad. Like I said, learn from my tips. I did leave them in the video to let you know where I would do differently should I do crochet again, and especially with straight hair. So I hope that this helps you. I hope that you do consider Hot Braids hair. Hot Braids crochet hair collection carries each individual textures on natural hair texture spectrum for a seamless blend, no matter if you're natural, transitioning, or relaxed. So be sure to check out the links in my bio. Just finished up the hairstyle. Hope that you like it as much as I did. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.